Best AI app to create long videos from text. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you guys the best AI app to create videos, AI generated videos from text. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So as you guys might have already guessed it, the free, you know, uh, app or free website that I'm talking about is actually Canva. So you can open up Canva and log in into your account. Or what you can do is you can directly head over to its website, that is www.canva.com/features/AI video generator. And after you hit enter on this website, you will be taken into this website. As you can see, bringing your best videos, ideas into life. So you can simply tap on generate AI video here to start with the generation of video AI. And after you're here, what you can do is you can actually describe what you want to do. So right here, you can describe, you can enter 5+ words to describe what you want to create. So let's say that you want to create a tree turning into a mushroom, and you can do that. And after you do that, what you can do is you can simply tap on generate video. After you do that, what you can simply wait is for it to create a video. And yeah, it can take some time. As you can see, it can take up to 1 to 2 minutes, and just wait for it to create the video. So while this video is getting created, you guys can simply head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So as you can see right here, the video is now ready and it has just given me a tree with mushrooms in it. Now it's not quite correct, but you can keep on generating it again and again till you get the exact video that you need. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.